something just so sad. It is one of the worst things you ever will see. Like here, it's one of the worst things you ever will see in your life, and this is what we are about to see. And this is not pretty. This is not pretty because maybe like me, even when I just don't get the pizza, I will be able to just do DoorDash. I will be able to do any delivery or any. I can do DoorDash. I can do other things.